This 5-minute solution will show you how to block screenshot for chats and calls on Imo. Follow these easy steps to do it. Open your Imo app and tap on your profile icon. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Chat and Call Privacy. And to block screenshot for chats, tap on Privacy Chat. And tap on Enable. Now select the contact. Tap on Done. And that's how we can block screenshot for chats. And to block screenshot for calls, tap on this option and enable it from here. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.